Hello everyone! So today we have got P30 Smart Fog Radio in front of us. A device built for teams that need fast, reliable communication wherever they go. Everything about it is designed to make voice, video and data work together smoothly in the field. Let's open the box and see what comes with it. Inside, you can find a power adapter, a USB Type-C data cable, a belt clip, battery, a strap, a tempered glass film, and SIM eject tool, which together form a complete setup for field deployment and immediately signal that connectivity is core part of how this device is meant to be used. When you pick up P60, it feels purpose-built with a solid structure, responsive HD touchscreen and physical controls that are laid out for confident operation outdoors, even then conditions are less than ideal, such as during traffic patrols or inspection works. Initial setup is clear and efficient. Insert the SIM card, install the battery, power on the device, and plug in to the platform, after which the P60 is ready to support communication and recording the task. One of the key capabilities of P60 is MCX Access, which enable mission-critical communication, workflow, and support voice, data, and video services within a single platform, helping ensure continuity and priority in demanding operational environments. In addition, group call recording and playback allow communications to be reviewed after the fact, supporting reporting, coordination, and operational traceability when teams need to look back at what was said and when. The work recording function further extends this capability by allowing tasks and one-side situation to be documented directly on the device.
Video recording started.
Position P60 not only as a communication tool but also as a practical support device for daily field operations. Clear audio output is another important part of the design, ensuring that voices remain intelligible, even in the noisy outdoor environment, which is especially relevant for roadside duties or industrial inspection scenarios. In applications such as traffic police patrols or power inspections, P60 demonstrated its strengths by combining real-time communication, structured recording, and broadband connectivity in one rugged form factor that supports long working hours and frequent movement. Overall, P60 represents a communication-first approach to POC devices, integrating MCX communication, work and call recording, a clear touchscreen interface, and reliable audio performance into a smart radio designed to support structured, connected field operations throughout the entire workday.